Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert your memory card and the SIM card in your Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. To this operation you need to have a special key which we're gonna be insert into the left side of your phone here into the little hole. Press it. Now remove the placeholder for your SIM card and the memory card, and there is only one place for your SIM card, so it's one slot phone and the place for your memory card here, just like this. Now insert it into your phone. Insert it. That's it. Now phone gonna be connect into your network connection and see your memory card, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.